VBA for beginners. Hi friends, VBA for beginners. Till now we have seen example 12 and this is going to be your 13th example. So I have created many examples using ChatGPT. You can also learn through ChatGPT or Copilot or Google Gemini, any of these AI tools, or if you wish to learn through any other AI tool also, you can just learn it. So example 13, you are seeing here in the screen. I am just copying this code, which is VBA code, going to this Excel sheet, and any sheet you can just click on this, right click on this, you will get this V code. And these modules we have, module 1, module 2 is there. So I would like to paste this in module 1. Okay. And coming down here and pasting it here. So the macro name is show time. And the line which is going to be executed, the command line is message box time. So what is going to be the result? So this is going to give you the time as of now. So shall we just check and run this? Right. So which is the active sheet? And this is my VBA SH1 book 2. So I want this time to be updated in this current active cell is G8. Here the time is going to come. What is the time now? 11:19 p.m. So I'm coming to this VB editor and running it. So now you are seeing this message is available, which is not going to G8. Why it is not going to G8? Because we have created only message box and not a particular cell. Okay. So how to add this in range cell is range. Then within double quote G8. Close this dot value equal to time. All right. So now it is automatically adjusted and some gap, everything is created space with this. Okay. So now if I run this, will it go and create this G8 with the particular time? Let us see this. So I'm just going to run this now. Invalid use of property it says because range G8 it says dot value instead of that comma value is there. Okay. Now it will be created like this. Run. Yes, 11:20 p.m. is there. So this is now not visible because of the column width is not adjusted. So I'll just double click between G and H in this vertical line. Double click and we are able to get it. So this is going to be the time now. Okay. And the message box says the time, whatever time is there. So how we are going to run this again, we'll just see this. I will go to this particular area. This is called the tool box. Okay, the tool box is view. And I'm going to this toolbar. This is debug. Debug toolbar is already made with the checkbox is there. So I'll remove this. Now on the top, whatever the debug toolbar was there, it is removed now. So once again, how to enable that? Click on this view, come to this toolbar and click on this debug. So this is the debug toolbar. Wherever we want to, you can just keep it here. Okay. So I would like to keep it here in the bottom. I can just keep it here, move it here. Now you are just seeing here design mode, run sub or user form, then break, reset, toggle break, all this. And when it comes to this place, this is what is I'm going to discuss now. Step into F8. So keeping the particular macro show time is selected now. So my cursor is anywhere in this place only. Okay. Right. Right now I'm going to step into F8 for this macro named show time. So I would like to indicate how the action is happening step by step. We are just going to see. All right. And this Excel sheet also, I will just make it small. And side by side, we can just see here. And this is your VBA sheet. I will reduce these size here also. So whatever code is being executed, we are just going to see this. Now Excel sheet, if I click this, you are able to see this entire area is green color is now available. This is the active window. But here you are seeing this Microsoft Visual Basic for application, blah, blah, blah. This is not active because the color is shaded now. It is light color. So when I click on this, you are able to see the difference here. This color is, it is now darker than the previous one. And this green color has now become very lighter than the previous dark green. So this is the active window now. Right. Coming back to this toolbar here, this is a debug toolbar. Coming to this particular icon, step into or press F8. So if I click on this, so it is selecting the first line, which is line number 15, and it is in column 1 is my cursor. So line number 15 is selected, highlighted with yellow color. So we are just going to press again, step into F8. This is going to execute sub show time, that particular command line. Line 15 is going to be executed now. So press it, executed. That means it has read the sub show time procedure. That macro is now started, and the second line is range G8 dot value equal to time. So now this is going to execute here. Before that, I will just click here, delete this. Now I'm coming back to this and selecting this area, and I'm going to run this. Step into, it is going to execute. You are just going to watch what is happening now. Click on this. Now the time is updated here, right? Again, now the message box time, the second line is highlighted now. This will be executed if I press this step into icon. So we are seeing the message is coming here. The message will be between these anywhere it is there. Okay. So you can just move it here. So this is the message box time. Right? So like this, we have to just keep on coming between this unqueue. Without selecting OK in the message box, it will not be executing further. So clicking on this, now ends up with the, so we are just going to press this now. So the same way, step by step also, you can just analyze what is happening here. But once you are confident that all these lines are executed correctly and there is no compile error, you can just go and run this button from here. Run sub user form like this. Okay, it is done now. So thank you very much for watching this video on this 13th example for VBA for beginners. And if you like this video, please press like button and subscribe my channel DPAB. Thank you. Take care. Bye.